What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today I'm going to show you how to make some chicken Parmesan sandwich. So, I don't want to waste any time. Like Uncle Joey would say, let's light this candle, boy, let's go. Come on now. That's right, buddy boy. Chicken Parmesan sandwich. Now you're looking and you're saying, Black, oh, it looks like you're already almost done. Almost. Not quite. I'm going to fill you in on how to do this tonight. You see, I've been in here busting my ass because I'm starving to death, boy, and I've been slurping while I'm at it. That good old mango. So, I got this white shit all over me, this flour. I look like Tony Montana, but it's the flour, baby. Trust me. So, first thing that I had to do when I started my chicken Parmesan sandwich is do what? Get me some chicken, baby. And today, I got some thin sliced, boneless chicken breast. Now you can use thighs, you can use whatever you want as long as it's boneless, baby. So, I went ahead and I got that and I put the breading on it. And I'm not talking about rubbing it down with no bimbo, sir. I'm talking about putting a little light flour on the outside, sir. And I did that and I went ahead and got my oil hot and I was out to dry it and then I'm ready to go. So, go ahead and put your chicken in there. And then you want to add a little salt and pepper. Just a little bit of pepper because there ain't nothing wrong with a little pepper out there. Ladies, you hear what I'm saying? Yeah! So, you get that done, you flip it over and do it on the other side, and you want that chicken to cook for about, 5-10 minutes or so. So, once you get the chicken done, go ahead and pull that out, and now we're ready to put the sandwich together. You see how quickly it can go. So, we are going to put this thing together, and I'm going to tell you what, this thing is so good, you're going to be drooling like Homer Simpson's ass. So, let's go ahead and open this bread up, and today, I've got the soft white buns, and I always have. So, let's go ahead and open that up, and split it in half and layer down like that. Then we're gonna get our tongs and click them and grab that old chicken from over here. Now put that down on top of that thing. Do your thing, baby. Now put a little sauce on there, boy. That drip, drip, drip. So stir that up. That's the old marinara sauce, and I'm not talking about the kind you smoke, but you will want to inhale this. You're gonna love it like them old Ninja Turtles love the pizza. So, we are going to put a little sauce on top. Just a little bit or a lot, depending on how much you like me. I'm going to get saucy tonight in more ways than one. You know what I'm talking about? Wow. So, a little bit more sauce. Now, let's go ahead and add that cheese if you please. And today, I'm going to use some mozzarella cheese. And you're saying to yourself, like, well, where's the Parmesan come in on this thing? Don't ask me, baby. I don't know. I could look it up, but I ain't got time for that shit. So, we're going to go ahead and split this cheese in half like this and put it on top. Two little triangles from the cheese nation. We salute you, sir. So, we are going to put those on top. We're going to put the bread on top. And at this point, I want you to go ahead and open your oven up and put these in there and kind of toast them a bit. But me, you know me, I ain't got time for that shit. I ain't got time for that shit. So, I'm going to open my microwave and give them just a little zap, some zapping Roger. So, we're going to do that. We'll be back. We'll have a look. And then we'll have a big old bite for my fat ass tonight. Ooh, 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 ooh. Alright, baby, the time has come. The chicken Parmesan sandwich is done. And I'm having that first bite for me. So, we'll dig right into this big old chicken Sammy, baby. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, man. I want to just go right back in, but I'm going to take a moment to tell you. That's a badass sandwich right there. That marinara sauce and that crispy chicken with that cheese, man. It's like a big old chicken pizza sandwich deal, baby, and I love it. It's, it's the chicken, it's the marinara, it's the best of both worlds, baby. And it's lovely. And I want to thank all of you lovely people for watching another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time, and enjoy them sandwiches, baby, because I know I am. Oh!